Hey kids, Coach Simmons here,
And Coach M.
and we are here to share with you this optional March Mindful Fitness Challenge that you can participate in each day. And each day of the challenge, you may enter into a drawing for several amazing prizes, including a Bose speaker.
Your activities must be completed each day during the month of March. Remember, it's optional and it's extra on top of your normal PE classes, so you don't have to do this. But if you'd like to get some extra workouts in and have a chance for some cool prizes,
And we will send out a link on our Canvas page April 5th, and then the forms need to be completed by April 9th.
so what you're going to do is, as you see on the calendar, you're going to complete each exercise on the day of the month for 30 seconds unless it's otherwise indicated on that day.
And if you look at the bottom of this chart, you will see, or the calendar, you will see a resource corner, and there you can click on for a 30-second timer or some mindful music. And there's also a printable water tracking chart that you can use because we love to hydrate. All right? Cheers and have fun with this month's challenge.